Is your Chrysler Pacifica not starting because the key fob isn't being detected? Don't panic. This is a common issue, often due to a dead battery in the fob. The Pacifica uses a passive keyless entry (PKE) system, so a dead battery prevents the fob from communicating with the car. First, try replacing the CR23-2 battery inside the fob. These batteries cost around $5 to $10 and are available at most auto parts stores. This simple fix resolves about 80% of these cases. If that doesn't work, there's an emergency start method. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, use the emergency start method. For models with a key slot, usually under a small cover on the fob, insert the fob and turn to the ACC position, then press the brake and start button. For models without a key slot, typically 2020 and newer, place the fob flat against the start button while pressing the brake. As for the future, Chrysler is moving towards app-integrated systems like Uconnect that allow remote starting via your smartphone, offering a backup when the fob fails. Future keyless systems will also have longer battery lives due to more energy-efficient chips.